In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Tasks on your PC, a handy guide for those looking to streamline their productivity by utilizing this simple yet powerful tool right from the comfort of their computer. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser on your PC. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable using. Once you've got your browser open, head over to Google's homepage. You can do this by typing www.google.com into your browser's address bar. The Google homepage is the gateway to all Google services, including Google Tasks, and is where our journey begins. After reaching Google's homepage, the next step is to sign into your Google account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you're prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in your email associated with your Google account. Remember, this is the key to accessing not just Google Tasks, but all Google services, so make sure you're entering the correct email. Once you've input your email, hit the next button to proceed. You'll then be asked to enter your password. Carefully type in your password, making sure each character is correct. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check to ensure caps lock is not enabled if you're having trouble. Hit the next button once again after entering your password. Following a successful login, it's time to navigate to the Google dashboard. Here you have access to an overview of your Google account's activity and settings, along with a gateway to all Google services. For our purposes, we're interested in accessing Gmail, as this is where Google Tasks can be found. Locate the Gmail icon on your dashboard and click on it to proceed. Once inside Gmail, you'll find a menu on the right-hand side of the screen with various icons, one of which represents Google Tasks. It might look a bit like a bullet list or checklist. Click on this icon to open Google Tasks. Congratulations, you've successfully accessed Google Tasks on your PC. It's here within Google Tasks where you can add new tasks, set deadlines, and organize your to-do list to streamline your workload. A couple of things to keep in mind as you start populating your Google Tasks. You can create different lists for different projects or aspects of your life. Maybe you have one list for work tasks and another for personal errands. This can help keep your tasks organized and your mind clear. Also, if you ever need to access Google Tasks not through Gmail, there's a direct link to Google Tasks you can bookmark. However, accessing it through Gmail as described is a handy way to integrate your tasks with your email workflow seamlessly. That wraps up how to access Google Tasks on your PC. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of productivity right at your fingertips. Whether you're making a simple grocery list or managing a complex project with multiple tasks and deadlines, Google Tasks can be your go-to tool to stay organized and efficient. Remember, the key to productivity is not just having the tools, but knowing how to use them effectively. So take some time to explore Google Tasks. Familiarize yourself with its features and customize it to fit your workflow. Happy tasking, and here's to a more organized and productive you.